Welcome to KK Readings. Let's read together.
Peppa Pig. Peppa's Windy Fall Day. Adapted by Barbara Winthrop. It is a windy fall day. Peppa and her family are going to the park. Let's put on our warm clothes, says Mommy Pig. When it is cold outside, Peppa and her family wear their hats, scarves, and coats. In the car, Daddy Pig turns on the heater. Is everyone nice and warm? Daddy asks. Vroom, vroom. Yes, Daddy Pig. Off they go. Soon, Peppa and her family are in the park. Why are all the leaves red and yellow? Peppa asks. In the fall, it gets colder and the leaves change color, says Mommy Pig. Daddy Pig has a ball. Let's play a game to keep warm. He kicks the ball to Peppa. My turn, cries Peppa. Peppa kicks the ball to George. Hee hee, kick! Grunt, grunt, snort. Now it is George's turn. But the wind blows the ball away. It's not supposed to go that way, cries Peppa. Peppa and George chase the ball. Uh-oh, the ball has rolled all the way into the pond. Splash! Quack, quack, quack. Don't worry, says Daddy Pig. I'll use this stick to get the ball. Daddy reaches out as far as he can. Just a little bit farther, Daddy, says Peppa. Please be careful, Daddy Pig, says Mummy. Daddy Pig reaches out too far. He falls into the pond. Sploosh! Silly Daddy Pig. Luckily, the wind begins to blow again. The wind blows the ball out of the pond. Hee hee. It's getting windier, says Mommy Pig. Hold on to your hats, Peppa and George. Peppa holds on to her hat, but George does not hold on to his. Whoosh! Away goes George's hat. The wind blows George's hat up into a tree. How will we get George's hat down? Asks Peppa. Simple, says Mommy Pig. I'll give the tree a little shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh dear! Mommy Pig shakes the tree a bit too much. Plump! All of the leaves fall on top of her. Where did George's hat go? Mommy Pig asks. It's on your head. Peppa laughs. Hee hee hee. The wind blows and blows. Look, Daddy, I'm leaning into the wind, cries Peppa. The wind is strong enough to hold up Peppa and George. It is even strong enough to hold up Daddy Pig. After a while, the wind stops. What can we do now? Peppa asks. What's your favorite game? Asks Daddy Pig. jumping up and down in muddy puddles, says Peppa. But there aren't any, only boring dry leaves. And what do we do with dry leaves? Asks Daddy Pig. Snort. I don't know, says Peppa. Ho ho! Jump up and down in them, says Daddy Pig. Crunch, 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 crunch. Everyone loves jumping up and down in dry leaves. This has been the best fall day ever, says Peppa. Hee hee hee. Grunt, snort. The end.
Thank you for reading with me. If you like my story, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.